Hi guys. Hey. Welcome to another unboxing. Okay. I don't know what I have. I ordered some things from Amazon and I'm going to be unboxing them on top of my laptop because I don't have anywhere else to put it. But let's just open up these packages and see what I got. Okay, there's a story behind this. There is a story behind this. So yesterday, I got an email saying that this was undeliverable. Yet here it is at my house. So it is the C922 Pro HD Stream Cam. 1080p, 30 FPS, and it is by Logitech, of course. Information Man told me about Logitech, and so I decided to go ahead and bite the bullet and spring for one of these. This is Full HD Video Streaming Diffusion. Okay, so this is going to be awesome. It works with Windows and Mac, according to this, and it came with a little tripod in the box, which I probably won't need because I have everything I need here. I just needed a new webcam, so got that. All right, let's see, what else do we have? Alright, this is probably going to be nail stuff up. Nope, I was wrong. It's not. It is the cover for my tablet. Alright, this, I don't have a case for my tablet, right? But this is in pink. It's the only pink one that I could find that would fit my particular tablet. It's silicone. And I mean, it's like literally the only one I could find to fit my tablet, like literally. So yeah, there's that. Ugh. Okay, this one has a whole lot of stuff in it. Okay, just gonna sit that to the side. Okay, this is one of those stamper things that you use for your nails. So literally it has a little silicone top and you just put your fingernail polish on it and do one of those things. So I cannot wait to do my nails so I can get a hold of this. There's this end right here. And then I didn't know a smaller end comes with it. I did not know that. So interesting. I think there's a little malfunction. Get in there. Get in there. There we go. Okay, so we have a little N and we have a big N. Okay, cool. Oh, nice. Okay, there's something else in here. Okay, there is, okay, this right here. You put your designs on here and scrape it off and stamp it and all that kind of stuff. That's what this little thing is for. I did not get any designs because I really just wanted this for the, you know, French, and I use gel polish, and I have you know, like the whole set, the heater or whatever you call it and everything. And so I really just wanted to try this out to see if it actually works. So I have a video coming up on that to see if this really works. Once I take all of this off, then we'll get into this. All right, so next package Okay, this is pretty cool. I already have one of these, but it comes with this set. This set is from Amazon. It is salon nail tips, but they're really not tips. It's really the whole set. I'll show you what I'm talking about. This is really, if it's not, is it? Okay. Yeah, one just fell out. This is the whole set. This is the whole nail. So you can make tips out of this if you want to. But this is really the whole thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 4. No, not 5. It's supposed to go in there. That goes in there. This goes in here. They're stuck to the top of this. This is a number 8. That's a number 7. This is a number 8. Okay. Get in there. Seriously, get in there. Stop clinging to me and get in the box. Why are y'all so ornery already? All right, there we go. Salon nail tips, nail art accessories, premium ABS material, 10 sizes in total, 50 pieces for each size. So this has 500 pieces in it, and I think this was $6.99. Either way, I'll put them in my store so you guys can see exactly how much they are, and then if you want to order them, you can. But yeah, I ordered them because I want to do the Lazy Girl Polygel set, and I needed these in order to be able to do that. So I'm going to find a tutorial and look at the Lazy Girl way, and after I take these off, then I'm going to do the Lazy Girl set with these. That way I don't need any forms or anything. I literally can just put this on and then do my designs and then be done with it. I'm not sure how easy this is to take off. However, I am excited for this particular set because you can do like the gel on the top and on the bottom while you're doing your designs and polish and all that kind of stuff, and it just looks really neat. So I'm excited for this. And like I said, the set comes with one of these clippers so you can like shorten your nails, but I have like a couple of those, so I really didn't need that. And then last but not least, I got the ultimate, well, to be honest with you, this is not the ultimate set. To be honest with you, this right here only has 10 cases of designs. So let's look at the designs and see what I got. And it does have some tools in here, which I'm shocked about. So you get brushes on one end and the little pick-me-ups on the other end. So cool. You get the white tip pencil. So cool. Oh, look at this. You get a set of tweezers. So cool. And then, oh, you get the designs, which I'm excited about. Oh my god. Okay, let's see what we got here. Can I see these through? Yes, you can see them through. So I don't have to take them out. You got moons and stars and all of that stuff in here. This is a gold set. And then in this one, this is rose gold, which is what I was really wanting because I love pink, and pink is really close to rose gold. But you have seashells in here. I do see some more stars in here. I see some feathers in here. Oh my god, it's so cute. This I'm going to love. The diamonds, and they're just like all different sizes of diamonds that are in here. Gems, I should say. This right here are more like those little flower petals, and you have 10 different colors in here, so that is awesome. All right, in this one you have pearls, and they are all round pearls. I wish they were flat on one side, but that's okay. We can work with that. They're all different sizes and all different colors. All right, here, oh yeah, I was wanting these so bad. I got the the gems that have, or stones that have the gold around them. And then on this side, they're more like iridescent and gold man-made gems or simulated gems and diamond-like gems. I don't know, I'm probably saying that wrong, but oh my god, I'm so excited for that. Okay, this one, there's some more gems in here, and these are really cool because they're all different colors. Kind of like the ones I have on my nails, but they're all different colors, so I have more of those. This is foil, just in case you didn't know what this is. And it does make a little bit of a mess, as you can see in the package, but they're all different colors, all different shades. And you just pick them up with your tweezers ever so lightly and place it into your gel. You could put this on the top or the bottom. I prefer the bottom because, again, it does make a mess. But when you design with this foil, it lays flat. So unlike the gems that kind of have like bumps and stuff or whatever, this lays flat, so it's pretty cool. The same thing with this has a flat side, just like the gems, they have a flat side, so you get more, you know, control, I would say. And then here we go, another gold set. I don't know if this, okay, they're totally different. This gold set is different from this one because you have triangles, circles, squares, crosses, ovals, rectangles. So there's a whole bunch going on in here, just like in here, but they're totally different. So this is pretty cool, you guys. I'm loving this. Oh my goodness. This is going to be so much fun. Nail design video definitely coming up. Look at that. Oh my goodness. This is what I wanted right there. Those are so good. The rose gold. So good. Oh my goodness. I'm excited. I cannot wait. Alright, you guys, I'm going to get out of here because this video is long enough for a show and tell and an unboxing. However, I hope that you enjoyed all of the goodies that I got today. And I am going to go put my case on here. And later on, I'm going to figure out how to install this. But I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for hanging out with me for these few minutes. And until next time, mwah, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And when you comment, of course, I will comment back because I love talking to you guys. I will talk to you later. I love you so much. Make something wonderful happen today, tonight, this afternoon, or whenever you're watching this video. I love you so much. Until next time.